In this class we are going to draw rocks. So how to draw that rock? First we will make that in this lower portion. First you can make these all shapes, irregular shapes, that big, small. This way you can fill that. Now this rock's drawing is ready. So after that upper part, either you can increase that little bit more rocks. Okay, now what we are going to do with this upper part, we'll take a flat brush, add plain water, just we can take out some blue color, light blue, like that you can take out, add plenty water and spread here. Some white color also you can take. Whenever you are going to give any sky effect or water effect, you have to use plenty water and you have to dilute colors. Now after finishing this part, what we will do, directly you can put light brown color, this side also. Somewhere you can give that little bit black strokes also. Some dark, some light, some blacky type. Means you have to dilute that. See, this is lower part of this rock and upper portion, that little bit light you have to make. So dual effect we can give. This side also. Remember this, you have to take very watery type. This way we can add little bit of the black, white, very watery type I have taken. I have not taken much color. Now after that what we will do, we will take a mid number of brush, that is near about 4-5 number of brush, and we will start giving that strokes. Let's take this color. Okay, this is not so diluted also, and just you shake your hand and start giving stroke this way, just like a trunk that we have given. Little bit that brown, white, black, all type of texture you have to give. Just a zigzag line you have to. Now this part will be shiny, so you can use white. Some rocks you can show like that standing way also, so at that time just to give that standing strokes you can use 000 number of brush also. Some cracks you can show. Always remember that one part you have to highlight with this black color. Suppose this part is completed, then we will give some black color to highlight other rock. See, this way. This part little bit you have to choose only 2-3 colors that you have to choose, because this is very dry area. We are not going to use any green color, a greeny type of rock we are not going to make. So what we will do, we'll use brown, black and white. So I'm going to give that lower to upper fine strokes I'm giving. You can use 000 number of brush also if you're not feeling comfortable with broad brush. Somewhere you have to bend your brush on this rock and give some broad stroke and somewhere fine strokes. Now what we can do, this side one long line I have made. Now this will be of different shape of rock, and just to give that fine line. Anywhere lines you have to give to show this details and all. Now this side you have to highlight wherever that you're going to highlight. This white color you have to use on it. You can use 4 number of brush. If you're not feeling that, you can use 000 number of brush to give that more fine and work. Similarly this side, if I want to give that dark color, just because this is upper part is reflecting but lower part we can show that dark. Up and down you have to give. Just you have to give variations of dark color and light color, and very fine strokes you have to give. Now after this we can highlight these fine parts with 000 number of brush. Just start giving that more fine strokes. First we will use this white color. Now after that little bit dark green, dark brown you can take. Just now start giving that fine strokes with 000 number of brush. The more fine strokes you are going to give, that more realistic effect it will give. Now this way this rocks painting is ready.